what I got. I went and got me another one of these things. What is this? A hanging wardrobe. So I had this one already, of course. This is the one that stays in my room all the time. But I went and got this one. I was looking for another one of those, but they didn't have them in white. So I got black. And I actually picked up 2 of them. They were $8.93 each. They do have the extension on them right here. So it was easy to put together. No tools needed. So I like that part about it. And I wanted to put it up so that when I get to the pop-up shop, I know exactly how to do it. I know how to break it down and all that stuff. And so I put my stuff in a garment bag just to protect it so it don't have like smells and stuff like that on it, since it's not in the plastic anymore. And I have decided that I'm going to get bags for all of my things. And I think it'll make it much easier as well for us to transport the stuff. So we could just like gather the garment bags and just stack them on top of each other. And then when we get there, hang them up, unzip the bag, and take the stuff out, and it's already ready. And I would love to have like about 4 racks. Oh, my hangers. I'm gonna show y'all these hangers I got. So I was gonna get these hangers from Amazon, right? Ooh, I'm checking off this checklist, baby. I was gonna get some hangers from Amazon, and I was gonna get these purple ones. But I was like, you know what? If I get purple, the thing about that is, let's say I get 50 of them. And then later on I decide I need 100. And those are not available anymore. The purple is always going to be off. And I don't want that. So I was like, okay. At Walmart, these were $4.97, I believe, $4.97 or $4.87 for a pack of 10 hangers. And they're non-slip hangers. They got these little grips on the tops and inside on the flat part where you hang your pants over. And I was like, you know what? Let me just get these. 5 of them is the same $25 I was going to spend on Amazon for 50 purple ones. But they was really $24 for 50 purple ones. So I actually spent the extra $1. But that was cool. I decided to go white because white is white, period. Even if I change up my hangers, white is white, period. So, and I like how they have these little hooks in here for those things that have those little hooks. You can hang stuff up, or your pants sometimes, even with those hooks. So I'm going to probably grab some more of these hangers because I really do like them. And I also wanted to test to see how many of them would fit inside of a garment bag. And I got all 10 hangers inside of one bag. So this is the We Stripe Differently dress and the Royal Python dress in this bag. And I have 10 hangers in there. One of them is just an empty hanger. I actually only had 9 pieces because Royal Python and the large is sold out. So I only have the smalls and mediums left, and I have all the sizes in We Stripe Differently. But yes, so I wanted to hang it up, see how it was going to look. I didn't put the wheels on the bottom down there. It does have wheels. I didn't want to put them on just to take it off later. And I'm not going to be wheeling it around my room. So I didn't put the wheels on, but I'll do that later. And it extends on both sides as well. Woo-hoo-hoo. So, and that just gives you a little bit more length. I dig it. I dig it. So, I don't want to let y'all see me because I'm looking crazy. But I'm checking off this checklist. Believe that. Okay, so I'm back. I'm cuter now. At least I think so. So I can chat with y'all like this. I'm in the car heading to get a manicure and pedicure now. Still checking off my checklist, like I said. I got new inventory coming. I have 5 pieces on the way. And I'll need to photograph those pieces and have my nails and toes done and stuff because they're more spring pieces. And of course I want to look springy in the photos. So also, because this is sad, but this is the truth. I'm going to be completely honest because that's what I do. There's 2 of my photos that I've taken where my nails were not done and my nails look horrible. The first one, it was like, okay, I'm not retaking these pictures. F it. It is what it is. The second time I was like, okay, they not gonna see my nails. But then during the editing, I was like, no, absolutely not. Don't you ever do this again. So I would not ever do that again. Nails and toes must be on point at all times. So I'm headed to get a manicure and pedicure, but I also wanted to let y'all know in terms of my checklist what else I've done. So I got t-shirts on the way. I have my logo runner for the table. I have hang tags and my tagging gun on the way. I also have, I'm trying to remember my checklist, inventory and stickers and shopping bags. Those are the things that I have on the way. So in the coming days, you're going to see quite a bit of me making post office runs, picking up all my stuff, unboxing my stuff, all that good stuff. And I'm excited. But let me tell y'all how one of the vendors kind of frustrated me this morning. I ordered something like 3 days ago, one of my items, my products. I ordered something like 3 days ago. So with these wholesalers, I had to have my documents approved before I made the purchase. It was my first time using them. So they approved my documents, all this stuff, okay? The vendor, I make the order. The next day, the vendor reached out to me and says, okay, we don't have this in the color you ordered. Would you like it in a different color? I'm like, absolutely. Please send it. Thank you for asking. Okay. The next day, it was waiting to ship. The next day, I get another message saying, oh, Google Maps says your address is at a USPS location. Can you confirm this? Why does it matter where my location is? I entered the address I want my things to be sent to. My documents were verified. Send my items. Like, why? What are we doing? What are we doing? Come on now. Why are we looking up my location on Google Maps? Google Maps says your address is at a USPS location. Why do you need to see where my address is? Tell me. What was the reason? What was the reason? I'm like, okay, you know what? Already I don't want to deal with them anymore. Already. But I'm going to wait to see what this quality of these items look like and go from there. But right now I'm leaning to the left with this vendor going forward instead of to the right. So we'll see. But let me pay attention on this ridiculously windy road and head to get my nails done and my toes. And I got some other stuff to do today. Alright, so sorry for the change in lighting. I'm at home at my dining room table in front of my laptop just taking care of some business, but I wanted to go ahead and properly end the video. My nails are done. They're coming off kind of pink in the video probably because of my shirt, but they're actually purple and they got these little sparkles in them. Really, really cute, and my toes are green. But anyway, on the way to the nail shop, I did stop at the Dollar Tree so I could see if they had garment bags so I can grab a whole bunch of them. And because that's where I got the ones you saw earlier from, and they didn't have any. So I started to go to another Dollar General that was kind of out of the way, but that didn't make money sense to me because tomorrow I'm going to accompany someone at an appointment. And on the way back from doing that, I will pass 2 Dollar Trees that I normally would not go to. So I was like, okay, when I get done with that, then I'll stop at these one or if not both of those Dollar Trees to see if they have the garment bags then, and it will make money sense because I have to pass them anyway. But while I was in there, I was able to, one, hand out my business card to somebody, which is always a bonus, and two, I picked up these raffle tickets for the giveaway for the pop-up. There is only 250 of them in the package, so I'm hoping that's enough. I might go back and get another one because I want my little booth to be popping, and I might need more than 250, and I'd rather have more and not need them than not have them and I do need them. I have to try to figure out something. because I want to play right. So I might just go ahead and grab me another one while I'm talking about it. But anyway, I'm happy that they had colored tickets. Well, the color writing, because most tickets are usually red, so they're white with the green writing. And I love them. They're really cute for $1, so it's all good. But anyway, I'm not going to be a chatterbox because I cannot upload videos longer than 15 minutes on this channel. And trying to take out some of the stuff that I say is hard because I'll be wanting y'all to know everything that I'm saying. Here we go. Anyway, I'll be back when I have some things to unbox. Like I said earlier, all that stuff that I ordered is on the way. So I'll be back to unbox those things with you guys. So I thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please do give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel. Comment down below. I love to chat and all that good stuff. I hope that you're having an amazing day today, on purpose, of course. And I will be back to chat with you in my very next upload. Meanwhile, stay poised and playful.